What do you do when you try so hard to succeed to get the results you desire, but you don't get them? What do you do when you do whatever it takes to handle the changes and challenges this crisis brought to you, but still you don't seem to make it? What do you do when you fail to inspire and motivate your team, no matter how devoted you are to your role? Actually, is there anything else you could do? Really, you don't get it. From technical perspective, you follow the right steps and processes, and you have the knowledge and skills to do so. Then, what's the matter? Why can't you stand out in your organization and make them see that you deserve a promotion? Why can't you reach your sales goals? Why don't you become the leader you want to be? I'm Valentina Cordi, the author of the book Success is a Mind Game, and the last 10 years I've helped business persons like you worldwide unleash their best and most confident professional self so that they reach their top career and business goals by changing their mindset. And in this video, I will tell you how mindset matters to your results and how to use it to succeed in what you want. So, stay tuned. Sometimes failing to get the results you want is like failing to fix a leak coming from pipes that go through your house walls. You dig in the wrong wall while the leak comes from a pipe in another wall. What I mean is that you try to remove the obstacle by focusing on something that actually is not the cause for it. Your skills, your knowledge, or the plan you have for execution is not what's missing from you. What keeps you away from what you want to achieve is your mindset. Maybe till now you didn't have to get out of your comfort zone and use more of your potential. Thus, you settled with what was only needed that at that time worked, and you believed that this is all that you can do. So now you don't believe there is anything more you can do. You tried everything. That's why you blind yourself from more options that you don't let him see. You see, if you carry a fixed mindset and you take for granted that your highest potential is only that up to the point you already got, then you will never utilize the extra opportunities your skills, knowledge, or execution plans can give you and are found in the place of your real potential, not the one you think you have. And there are found the results you're looking for, which are sabotaged by your mindset. Therefore, search no further. What's sabotaging your results is your fixed mindset. You believe that it is what it is and that's all. Well, it's not. There is always something more. There are always more options. And the only thing to change that is to question it. Next time you say to yourself, "That's all I can do," change the statement into a question and ask yourself, "Is this really all I can do? What else is there?" And write down all the possible answers that you can think of. Open the way towards the results you want by opening your mind. If you liked this video, hit the like button below, share it with your connections, leave your comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one.